Morning, boys and girls, friends, enemies, what the hell, whoever. Got down the shop a touch early. It opens at 7. Got there at 10 to. So, well, what the heck. It's supposed to be a really nice day, but the clouds are telling a different story. $500-mile round trip did me the world of good. I don't think I've been out this early feeling this chilled for quite a while. I was sort of dreading going, but literally forced myself mentally. And what a difference it's made. Sometimes you make a decision, force yourself to do it and enjoy it. I got up this morning nice and early, feeling relaxed, put on the news, read about Beirut. Bloody hell, that was nasty, wasn't it? Thousands of tons of ammonium nitrate stored in a warehouse. I think, oh, I might be wrong, my memory's shite, I think they said about 16 years. That's the pleasure of a company without any health and safety. As much as we bemoan it, and yes, they are pretty stupid on a lot of things, that was certainly missed, wasn't it? I just cannot imagine what being in the epicenter of an explosion like that in peacetime is like. And regardless of politics, religion, any of that crap, I've got to feel sorry for them, really sorry for them. Don't know what I'm going to do with the rest of the day now. Sorting through my batteries, and of the 6 I've got, 3 are now in the bin, 1's undecided, and they're not so easy to get hold of at sensible prices. All day yesterday and the day, I sort of played with the camera, put it on, left it running. It's not a camera issue, it is a battery issue. And what's happening, because I have a little backpack on, a little top-up battery backpack. Of the 4 of those I've got, 2 have been thrown away, but they are old. And we know that batteries have only got so many cycles, and I suspect I've used those cycles up. So what comes next, I don't know. The other interesting thing is, while I was up with Jed, now he's a great believer in this CBD oil. So he said, I've always erred on the side of, well, maybe, but he was very gracious and he bought me a little bottle. It's not cheap shit, this. And I thought, okay, I will try it. I'm that sort of person that doctor gives me a medicine, I will give it a good try. I gave marriages a good try. They just weren't for me. But yeah, I am going the wrong way, but I'm enjoying this morning. See, now I haven't enjoyed a morning for months. This morning I'm actually really enjoying it. Yeah, so I started trying it. That was 4 days ago. And tentatively there is a difference. Now, I suffer sharp pains in my knees from arthritis, and although my knees are uncomfortable this morning and my muscles are stiff, I was doing a lot of work on the bike yesterday, washing, cleaning, chain adjusting, up, down, so that's to be expected. We can do this. He's obviously going slow for his mate. And so far, last night and this morning, no pain. Still the clonking, still the discomfort, but no actual sharp, that sharp stinging pain like a hot needle going in. And they feel a lot more comfortable. I'm feeling optimistic. The bit that worries me, of course, is it's fairly expensive, so a monthly outlay is not going to do my budget much good. But health versus budget, I'd rather be hard up and feeling better. So if it gets better, I'm definitely sold. At the moment, I'm very optimistic. I am sold so far. And this is where the coppers hide, in this little lay-by. That's a good morning then. And Jed's daughter Alice, poor girl. Yeah, I'm sure most of you guessed that was just a piss take. Sorry, Alice. Not sorry. Tidy your bloody bedroom up. No excuse for that, young lady. No excuse. I know your dad's an untidy, scruffy bugger, but then so am I. What the hell? I think all men single, left to their own devices, get their flats, and they are immaculate. And then after a while they degenerate, especially if they've got interests and hobbies. I do hoover, I do all my laundry regularly, as it is needed every time, and I do all the washing up every day. But it is more like a workshop. I do have tools everywhere, but that is basically because I don't have an outside space. I don't have a workshop or a garage. So there's tools in the hall, tools in the bathroom, tools in the living room, tools in the bedroom. No wife to give me grief. Like, come on guys. That is life, isn't it? I used to be very house proud, but as I never get any bloody visitors, not really much point. And that was it, just a mumble and a rumble. I hope you guys stay safe, have fun, smile lots, and I do hope you are my disciples and you are smiling at miserable people and slowly but surely hacking them all off. Trust me, it is worthwhile. Bye.